So this is just another video that I made from the previous one that I posted, but I just had to put a cap to make it look different. But nothing. I could close the car to make it look different. Usually my background sucks because I didn't have time to fix it or anything, but should work for now. Anyway, yeah, this is another blabber video for me and just thoughts out there. So I consume YouTube a lot. I look at stuff like I look at reviews, I look at thoughts about cameras, thought about stuffs. I even make a bit of them because I'm not really good, so I just make a bit. But yeah, here's my takeaway to some YouTube channels, which are some of them are so famous, some of them have a lot of subscribers, some of them have a lot of reviews, and they're very good at it. But there's one thing that I'm really I don't know, really annoyed is that these people try to compare stuff. Like they compare batteries, they compare cameras, they compare lenses, they compare filters, whatever. They compare a lot of stuffs, and that's what we're trying to like consume. Like we consumers. I'm also a consumer. I try to look into YouTube and try to check which one's better. And these guys does his reviews, explain it very well. And they say a lot of things about these items. But what's really annoying is that these guys don't give their opinion. They don't give, like, for example, I'm going to talk about, let's see what I have here. I have a filter case. So yeah, let's talk about like, I'm going to talk about this Peter McKinnon filter, and it's very good. And you can also get free will filters, something like that. Not sponsored because I'm just having this as an example. But the thing is, yeah, it's annoying because they talk about both filters, but they don't tell us which one they choose and why. So like if I choose Peter McKinnon filters because it has a case, it's nice, but I like the free will filters because they're cheap. So at the end of the day, you're gonna be the one choosing it. So I agree with that, but the thing is, we would want your opinion also. We want you to like say, like, for me, I think I like this because this works for me because it has a case and I travel and I love the case. That's it. If you want, like, I love the free will filter. That one works for me because the thing is, it's cheaper and it works just the same way as the Peter McKinnon filter. But I don't get that. They just tell you the pros and cons, but they don't tell us their take onto it. It's annoying. Come on, guys. Like, if you wanna compare something, if you wanna put content out, just tell us your opinion. We know it's subjective. Like, we are the ones choosing. At the end of the day, we'll be the ones thinking, oh yeah, this is good for me, but it would have been better if you guys tell us, like, I choose this because of that. Not the safe answer of, yeah, I know, this is the difference between the two of them. It's up to you to... It's annoying. It's nonsense. I get all the information, but I don't get the value. Like, I don't get your opinion regarding it. Well, that's just me complaining. Okay, and before I go, I'm not a pro. I don't do good videos. I'm just ranting. I'm just showing you guys. So if you think I did something wrong, just tell me in the comments. That way I can improve. I'd love for you to tell me that.